guys, welcome to the video. Again, this is Blaze0017, or as the title you're probably seeing right now, Blaze Gang. So today I was just in Maryland, Aberdeen Ripken Experience. Shout out to them. That's a very fun experience. If you have a chance, please you should head over there. It's a Ripken Experience Aberdeen. It's in Maryland. It's really cool. They have replica fields. Big fields. It's just a really good experience. They treat you well there. I got player of the game. It's just really fun there. But anyways, there's a concourse there because there's like this MLB stadium replica, and they're selling this mystery at Bat Series 2. I opened this because there's a rare card in there, which we'll be opening last for you guys. So I'll show you that first. So hopefully, I'm gonna show you the back so you don't see who it is. It's just like all red. I'm trying to show you who it is. So that's like the rarest one. So here, let's let me take through here. And if you want to see who this is, Power Alley cards. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna start whatever we get. So Archives Baseball, exclusive 1 yellow parallel. So that's pretty cool. 16 cards. So let's get to opening this. I haven't opened a baseball pack in a long time. So I jammed my finger starting back a second. So it might be a bit hard for me to open these cards. Okay. First we have Ketel Marte. Ooh, don't know who this is. Justin Fortas, Manny Marco, Gavin Williams, Zach Neto. I know who that is. Koda Senga, interesting player. Cal Raleigh, as a catcher, he is a really good role model. Lane Thomas, MLB Show legend, Fernando Valenzuela. Oh, Matt Chapman, is this a yellow, exclusive yellow parallel? I don't know, I'm gonna keep that up there for now. So every like parallel or cool card like this, we're gonna keep up here, I guess. Ooh, if you like, wait, before I show you this card, if you like these videos of card openings, please tell me, share, whatever. All right, so Juan Soto, Joe Torre, Willie Mays, Brenton Doyle. Ooh, I don't know how to say that. Nick something. Okay, we're back at the beginning. Okay, so that was a pretty good overall pack. So, okay, let's go to the next smallest pack. Tops. I think this is a 2023. Yeah, 2023 Tops Series 1. Look for autographed and replica cards. All right. There you go. Let's get ripped. Mark McKenna. Kylie. I can't speak. Kyle Hendricks. Ozzy Albies. Jesse Winker. Oh. Flip the rest. Steven Metz. Nick Parato. William Gutierrez, another good catcher. Brandon Crawford. Oh. Jonathan Aranda. Star of MLB. Freddie Freeman. My teammate loves Freddie Freeman. So let's get him up there. Oh, Nolan Jones. And I think this is the final one. Tristan. Oh, no, I think we're doing it. I think he's in the Phillies now. Jordan Romano. Ryan Presley. Rodriguez. Cooper. Okay. Alright. We have to get a big pool soon. Like, we have 2 more things to pass. We got this pretty thick one. And then this is like the big one. I mean, my friends like got autographs like crazies. I mean, like, if I'm gonna autograph, I'm gonna be disappointed, no? Oh, look at that. There'll be something in there. Okay. I'm probably just gonna rip through these. And if you didn't know, I'm a big fan of Bryson Stott and Rafael Marchand. 2 very underrated players. Okay. How many Lane Thomases have we had today? AJ Pollock. I'm not good at opening or flipping cards. Oh, Randy Johnson, no hitter. Keep that in there. Francisco Lindor. That's cool. Jose Altuve, coincidence? Just a bunch of teams up here. Hey, my name, look for you. Future stars. So I'm not gonna. Ronald Reyes, I forgot about that guy. He was a very good ball player when he played for the Phillies, though. Must say that. All these players are on new teams. Tarek Scuba. Alright, I'm kind of getting like upset. Alright, we're back in the front. Alright. Wow, this is like nothing. We're not even much here. Alright. Okay. Look for autographs. How many? That's just for 59 cards. Alright, this is our last one before we get to the red pack. So. Oh. Hold up, bro. This is like. I don't think I have any scissors up here, do I? Oh! Yes. Oh, wait, we could have done it from the bottom. Okay. Oh no. So far, the favorite card we got so far is, in my opinion, Randy Johnson. It's like stuck in here. Oh. It's like. Okay. So this is a little bit thicker than the last one. Alright, I'm gonna read some of these out. Oh, like I think these are like the 2025 cards. Ranger Suarez, my personal favorite pitcher. I'm gonna put him up there because I do love myself some Rangers. Hold on, I'm trying to organize this. Hunter Green, Mitch Keller, Ryan something, Josh Naylor, Corbin Carroll, Jake Bloss, Tarek Skubal, Marco something, Dylan Cruz. He's about to be a beast coming up. I'm gonna just put these in the back. Okay, we started with Dylan Cruz, I guess. My God. Charlie Blackmon. It's sad that he tried, to be honest. Francisco Lindor. Jonathan Doyle. DJ Harris. Isaac Paredes. Anthony Volpe. Pete Crow Armstrong, which I think that's a pretty cool card. So I'm going to put that right there. That right there. Spencer Steer, Mackenzie Gore, which is like, the time I'm recording this is like the third day of MLB opening back up. So, the Gore kid, he just struck out all the Phillies like yesterday or something. I'm a big Phillies fan. Jake Rogers, Patrick Bailey. Yo, wait, River Ryan. I don't know. I thought this was cool. I don't know. Yo, wait. Paul Skeens! Hold up. Paul Skeens. I'm sorry if this is just like bad because I am not a professional camera opener. Alright, I'm gonna put the rest to the side for now. These look like these are good. Brooks Lee, okay. Raffy Devs, okay. James Wood, alright. Corey Seager, okay. Call of Horror. George Brett, that's pretty cool. Yo, it's like a silver refractor. Matt Chapman. Oh, another silver refractor. Carlos Narvaez. Alright, looks like we just got through the pretty good ones. Still looking for an autograph again. Andrew McClutch. It's in the name. He's just clutch. Oh, I forgot about this. They have like the top's like a word on here. That's really cool. Alright, I'm gonna do a brief like intermission. I know we're doing baseball and all this, but if you guys want to see biking videos, I've been biking a lot. Weather's been good and good. So if you want to see me bike, I'll upgrade my bike and we can just really just go around my neighborhood. If you want to see some bike videos. Oh no! No shot. We went through the whole thing. We went through all of these. Oh, we went through all of this and we didn't get any diamonds. Autographs. Alright, for the review, I'm gonna open this red one. Alright, let me open it. Here, I'm gonna say the first letter of his first name, and I'm gonna give you some time to think. C. What do you think? What do you think? Alright, I'll give you a few more seconds. Alright, if you didn't guess yet, pause the video, but drum roll please. Corbin Carroll. You have the little jersey. And then what does it say there? Hold up. Let me open it. Hold up. Touch the path. That's cool. That's really cool. And, well, I'm gonna go put this in the sleeve. And before I end the video, I used to collect cards a lot. My parents kind of get mad at me for buying more and more cards. Okay. But I want to show you something for it in the video. So I just grabbed a bunch of Toronto players because I got this cool stick here. There's a whole page of Toronto players. And then I also did one for, oh yes, I'll let you guess. For the Miami Marlins. Okay, so that's pretty cool. For the end of the video, I'm gonna pause this video. I have a bunch of cards up like over here, which you guys can't see. So I'm gonna pause it and we're gonna have a quick intermission. Well, not intermission. I'm gonna pause it because I'm recording this on Apple Video. So I'm gonna go, I have a pile of cards over here and I'm gonna see what good ones have. So I will be back. Well, it turns out that I had not a lot less than I thought, but I just found some cards quickly laying around my room. So I'm gonna show you some cards that I personally like. Look, Chase Utley. Better be jealous. And then I thought this was pretty cool. The shape of this card was pretty cool. But it's not over yet. 9.5 orange, 191 out of 299. Phillies catcher JT Realmuto. I thought these were pretty cool, but I am very, very disappointed that we, as a Blaze gang, today in this pack opening, we did not get any autographs. Not one. Like, alright, I think like this was probably the best card we got. But then like all like I'm just disappointed really. No autographs. Alright, well, thanks for joining us today and I'll see you in the next one.